Surprise airstrikes on Iranian nuclear sites. Something unexpected happened. Iran's air defense network was crippled. Key radar installations knocked out across central Iran. But within 48 hours, surveillance and missile defense systems were back online. A French analyst believes Iran couldn't have done it alone and suggests possible technical help from Pakistan. Pakistan and Iran have quietly expanded military protocols in recent years, especially across their shared border. There's no direct proof, just intelligence chatter, strategic timing, and a lot of geopolitical questions. Here's the quiet logic. Pakistan can't afford a pro-Israel regime in Tehran, especially one hostile to its nuclear program. With enemies on the east, India, and instability on the west in Afghanistan, Pakistan needs Iran stable and aligned. If Iran were to shift sides, Pakistan would be surrounded on three fronts. Helping Iran defend itself may be a silent necessity. So, was this quick radar reboot just Iranian skill, or a quiet helping hand from Islamabad? Let us know what you think in the comments.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.